If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can export most reports and lists in QuickBooks Online to an Excel file. To export list data from QuickBooks Online Plus to a Microsoft Excel file, click the Export to Excel button, which appears towards the upper right corner of the list in the page. Separately, to export classic reports in QuickBooks Online to Excel, run the report, click the Export button towards the upper right corner of the report header, and then click the Export to Excel command. Alternatively, to export a modern report in QuickBooks Online, run the report, click the More Actions dropdown towards the upper right corner of the report window in the Common Report Options section, and then select the Export to Excel command. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.